Hi, my name is Alex. In this video, I'm going to talk about use cases of 6 ChatGPT plugins. You need to upgrade to Plus to install ChatGPT plugins. Instructions to install plugins are provided in the video link shown at the end of this video. Let's start. A Plus Invoice Maker. The A+ Invoice Maker plugin could be a tool designed to work alongside ChatGPT, an AI-powered language model, to streamline the process of generating professional invoices. It aims to simplify the often complex and time-consuming task of creating invoices for businesses and freelancers. Potential use cases. 1. Business invoicing. Small and medium-sized businesses could utilize the plugin to create customized invoices for products or services rendered to clients. The plugin might offer options to input client details, item descriptions, quantities, prices, taxes, and payment terms to generate accurate invoices. 2. Freelancers and independent contractors. Freelancers or independent contractors could use the plugin to create invoices for their clients or employers. The plugin may assist in itemizing billable hours, project milestones, or expenses, helping freelancers present a clear breakdown of their services. 3. Automated billing systems. Companies dealing with recurring payments or subscription-based services could integrate the plugin into their billing systems. This way, the plugin might automatically generate invoices and send them to customers based on predefined schedules or triggers. 4. Financial tracking and reporting. The A+ Invoice Maker plugin might provide features to store and manage invoice data, enabling businesses to keep track of payments, outstanding balances, and generate reports related to their financial transactions. 5. Customization and branding. The plugin could offer options for branding and customization, allowing users to add their company logo, choose color schemes, and tailor the invoice layout to match their brand identity. 6. Integration with accounting software. To simplify accounting processes, the plugin might integrate with popular accounting software, such as QuickBooks or Xero, allowing seamless transfer of invoice data. 7. Multi-language and currency support. For businesses operating internationally, the plugin could support multiple languages and currencies, enabling invoices to be generated in different languages and display amounts in various currencies based on the recipient's location. AAASummarize.app. Summarize.app might be related to a service or tool that provides text summarization capabilities. Text summarization is the process of condensing a longer piece of text into a shorter version while preserving its key information and main points. Potential use cases for a text summarization plugin like AAASummarize.app could include 1. Content summarization. Users can summarize articles, blog posts, research papers, and other lengthy texts to quickly get an overview of the content before diving deeper. 2. News summarization. Keeping track of multiple news articles can be time-consuming. With a summarization plugin, users can get concise summaries of various news articles, saving time and effort. 3. Knowledge extraction. Researchers and academics might use the plugin to extract essential information from a large collection of documents or research papers. 4. Social media summaries. Social media platforms often have character or word limits. A summarization tool can help users share the key points of a longer text on social media platforms. 5. Note-taking. Users can summarize lecture notes, meeting minutes, or important emails to create concise summaries for reference. ABC Music Notation. ABC is a simple and human-readable text-based musical notation system. It is designed to represent sheet music in a way that is easy to understand and share among musicians and music enthusiasts. ABC notation uses plain text characters to describe musical elements like notes, rhythms, chords, and other musical symbols. Use cases. 1. Musical composition and sharing. Musicians can use ABC notation to write down their compositions and share them with others online or through text-based platforms. 2. Collaboration. ABC notation allows musicians to collaborate and exchange musical ideas and arrangements in a format that is easy to read and understand. 3. Learning and teaching. ABC notation can be used as a teaching tool to help beginners learn how to read and write music in a more approachable and less intimidating format compared to traditional sheet music. 4. Archiving and preservation. ABC notation provides a convenient way to preserve and archive traditional or historical music pieces in a digital format. 5. Conversion to sheet music. ABC notation can be converted into standard sheet music using software or online tools, making it accessible to musicians who prefer traditional sheet music. 6. Integration with music software. Music software and plugins can use ABC notation as an input format to generate audio playback, MIDI files, or interactive music scores. Please note that the actual use cases and description of all the plugins in this video may differ, as it could have been developed with specific functionalities in mind. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information about the plugin, it's best to refer to official documentation or the platform where ChatGPT is being offered. Access Google Sheet. The Access Google Sheet plugin for Chatbot GPT would be an integration that allows the language model to interact with Google Sheets directly. Google Sheets is a widely used cloud-based spreadsheet application offered by Google, and this plugin would facilitate seamless communication between the AI model and the Google Sheets platform. Potential use cases. 1. Data retrieval. The plugin would enable the chatbot to fetch specific data from a designated Google Sheet. Users could request information, and the chatbot could respond with data from the appropriate cells or ranges in the connected spreadsheet. 2. Data entry and updates. Users could instruct the chatbot to add or update data in a Google Sheet. For example, the bot could log user-provided information, survey responses, or other data into the spreadsheet. 3. Calculations and analytics. The chatbot could leverage data stored in Google Sheets to perform calculations or generate insights for users. For instance, it could calculate averages, totals, or generate graphs based on the data. 4. Collaboration. The plugin could support collaborative interactions, allowing multiple users to access and interact with the same Google Sheet via the chatbot. This could be useful for team collaboration and coordination. 5. Task automation. By integrating with Google Sheets, the chatbot could automate certain tasks like sending email alerts when specific data in the sheet meets certain criteria, or generating reports based on data in the spreadsheet. 6. Project management. The chatbot could be used to manage tasks and project-related information stored in Google Sheets. It could update task statuses, assign tasks, and provide project-related information to users. AI agents, also known as intelligent agents, are software programs that can perform specific tasks or make decisions autonomously, based on predefined rules or learned patterns from data. They are designed to act as intermediaries between users and computer systems, simulating human-like interactions and offering assistance or automation in various domains. Some potential use cases and descriptions could include: 1. Personal assistant. The AI agent plugin could function as a virtual personal assistant, helping users with tasks such as setting reminders, scheduling appointments, answering questions, managing to-do lists, and providing personalized recommendations. 2. Customer support. An AI agent integrated into ChatGPT could enhance customer support services by responding to customer inquiries, troubleshooting issues, and providing relevant information about products or services. 3. Language translation. The AI agent plugin could serve as a language translator, facilitating real-time translation between different languages during chat conversations. 4. Content recommendation. By analyzing user interactions, preferences, and historical data, the AI agent can offer personalized content recommendations, such as articles, videos, products, or services. 5. Task automation. AI agents can automate repetitive tasks, such as data entry, email responses, or social media posting, freeing up human resources for more complex and creative endeavors. 6. Education and tutoring. The AI agent can act as a virtual tutor, providing explanations, answering questions, and offering guidance in various subjects or skills. 7. Healthcare support. In the healthcare domain, the AI agent could provide preliminary diagnosis suggestions, health tips, medication reminders, and general medical advice. 8. Travel assistance. The AI agent could assist users in planning their trips, finding accommodation, suggesting itineraries, and offering travel-related information. AI chatbot. Builder AI chatbots are computer programs powered by artificial intelligence that can interact with users through natural language processing. They are widely used across various industries to automate customer support, enhance user experiences, and streamline business processes. Here are some common use cases and descriptions for AI chatbots. 1. Customer support. AI chatbots can handle frequently asked questions, provide instant responses, and offer 24/7 support to customers. They can assist with order tracking, troubleshooting, product inquiries, and more, reducing the need for human intervention and speeding up response times. 2. Lead generation. Chatbots can engage website visitors, collect user information, and qualify leads for businesses. By providing personalized interactions, they can improve conversion rates and assist potential customers throughout their journey. 3. E-commerce assistance. Chatbots in online retail can help customers find products, offer personalized recommendations, and assist with the checkout process. This can improve customer satisfaction and increase sales. 4. Appointment scheduling. AI chatbots can be integrated into calendars and scheduling systems, allowing users to book appointments or make reservations effortlessly. 5. Virtual assistants. Chatbots can serve as virtual assistants, helping users manage their tasks, set reminders, and answer questions on various topics. 6. Language learning. AI chatbots can facilitate language learning by engaging users in conversations, offering vocabulary exercises, and providing grammar tips. 7. Entertainment and gaming. Chatbots can be used in interactive storytelling, games, and quizzes, providing users with engaging and immersive experiences. 8. Human resources. In organizations, chatbots can assist employees with HR-related queries such as leave requests, benefits information, and policy clarification. If you found this video useful, then please do not hesitate to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon button. If you would like to know how to install plugins, then please click on the link above. To find out use cases for other plugins, please click on the relevant video above. Thanks for watching.